if you know this country, this is Israel, and this is also the Germany, I have a 7 magnificent here. In this 100 feet ground in the fault line, this country, you know, every station I know in country. In Alpapay Station, I have 27 canyons, 7 granites, and 27 boulevard business of bull tanks of negative 77 part of night shadow, the fixer. When I opened the Malacanang eating in St. Jude Hospital, I have a 7 grounds of magnificent 7 treasure of national golds of Colombia, and that is a pearl golden Buddha. I know this city. In this whole world, I have many missiles in this colony. I have 37 missiles under the ground of Camiedo, and it was easy to find because the 400 feet was injured by my knuckled hat down of my shadow that paint the pose of the king of the last kagi of the full ship. That is the Magna Fanta computer. And I'm teasing my mind because Noynoy Aquino was fixed that demon. He find my 3 character of my 2 hearts and shadow, and he put in the fire and I recover. And I use drugs of that chabu. So when I use drugs, I remember my morning. A bonbon is good up further. If you remember, Master, Señores, ay good morning, good morning po. Pasensya na po. And that was the time I know. You better know the day. I'm better for all, And you know this country is a city kind of God. That is Jerusalem. For all of you, if you contact Mrs. Marcos or anybody who is in Marcos family, you told them, hey, butter, you bother you respect my mind, boy. It's just an innocent time. You give me a shit of mind. You wanna kiss my kicker? Come on, let's fight. How do you go see? Better respect somebody's talking. If you don't like my dialogue, you go out in the city. I'm a police also. I'm an NBI, I'm an FBI. Even you talk to Mr. Krame, Bonnet Beach, you're from India, Punchata to Puti. Do you remember Rango? When I get 100 mina, you know, fix your dampo, Hika. I know you, Bobby. If you're a pack of tax, nothing me, no money allowed for me, but I'm innocent. I love Filipino mind, Better rin mo, it's good, Kung minalala kayo, kung kilala niyo mama ko, kung malapit kayo kay mama, sabihin niyo si Bongbong gising. Ang putang ng Channel 7, Channel 2 ayaw papasukin. Paano takot sila? Putang ng tumahan niyo kinto, pupuputan ko ng ulo sa harapan yan. Ang laki na atraso sa akin yan. Yung pinaka-itlog ko, tsaka yung pinaka-basahis ko, nilagay niya sa ilalim. Isoma ko, nilagay niya rito. Ang headbit ko, kita niyo, wala na ako ko. Paano si kick my 3 eyes, My nose was put in the heart, man. And my hair put in my pubic hair. It changed easy. And I cannot fix that, That's the demon of Vietnam, Now he's a president. But I say, a Filipino is master.